Qatar, a land of contrasts where ancient traditions meet modern innovation, a land where the desert kisses the sea, creating a breathtaking union of nature's extremes. Imagine soaring above this magical place, where every view tells a story of resilience and beauty. Our journey begins high in the sky, offering a bird's-eye view of a land shaped by time and ambition. Look below. The landscape unfolds like a masterpiece, painted with golden sands and azure waters. The Persian Gulf glistens under the sunlight, its blue waters a striking contrast to the arid desert. Endless dunes of golden sand stretch to the horizon, a testament to the vastness of this desert land. And then, as if emerging from a mirage, a city rises on the horizon, blending tradition with modernity. This is Doha, a vibrant metropolis born from the desert sands, a symbol of Qatar's vision and progress. Doha's skyline is an incredible sight. Soaring skyscrapers pierce the sky. Each building has a unique design. Look at the Aspire Tower. It resembles a giant torch. There, the Museum of Islamic Art sits gracefully on the waterfront. From up here, we can appreciate the creativity of Qatar's architecture. But Qatar is more than just its modern city. While Doha dazzles with its futuristic skyline and bustling streets, the true essence of Qatar lies beyond its urban boundaries. It's a land where tradition meets nature, offering a journey into a world of contrasts. Beyond Doha, the landscape transforms. The city's edges fade into the vast open desert where the horizon stretches endlessly. It's a stark yet mesmerizing shift, a reminder of Qatar's deep connection to its natural roots. Vast deserts stretch out, rippled like golden waves. These dunes, shaped by the wind over centuries, tell stories of time and resilience. They are a testament to the raw, untouched beauty of this land. The dunes seem to go on forever, creating a surreal, almost otherworldly landscape. It's a place where silence reigns and the golden sands shimmer under the sun's embrace. Then the deep blue of the inland sea appears. This natural wonder where the desert meets the sea is a breathtaking sight. It's a rare phenomenon, a meeting of two contrasting worlds. This beautiful expanse of water is a hidden gem. Its tranquil blue waters provide a striking contrast to the golden sands, creating a serene escape that feels almost magical. Qatar's beauty lies in these amazing contrasts, from the vibrant cityscapes to the serene deserts and the tranquil inland sea. It's a land of endless surprises, where every corner tells a unique story. Let's fly over to Souk Waqif, a place where history and culture come alive. This traditional marketplace is a maze of narrow alleys, each one brimming with life and stories waiting to be discovered. Here you can almost smell the spices, hear the chatter of traders, and feel the vibrant energy of a place that has stood the test of time. Qatar's cultural heart beats strong in Souk Waqif, where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. From the bustling marketplace, we continue our journey to a serene nature reserve, a stark contrast to the lively souk. Did you know Qatar is home to rare wildlife? These reserves are a sanctuary for some of the most unique species in the region. Look, a herd of Arabian oryx grazes peacefully, a sight that speaks to Qatar's commitment to conservation. These beautiful creatures, once on the brink of extinction, have been brought back from the edge through dedicated efforts. Now they thrive in protected areas, a testament to the harmony between nature and human care. Qatar, seen from the sky, is truly captivating. Its landscapes tell a story of contrasts and coexistence. It's a land of contrasts, where tradition meets modernity, and the past and future exist side by side. This is a place where you can explore bustling cities and peaceful deserts all in one day, a journey through time and terrain. So come and discover the magic of Qatar, a land that offers something for everyone. Experience it all from a drone's eye view and prepare to be amazed by the wonders of this extraordinary destination.